equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the battery in your Caelum information quality device. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. First, power off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement. Once powered down, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once the panel is off, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. Using your microfiber cloth, gently clean the area to ensure optimal performance. Now, let's focus on the battery itself. Disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging it from the connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector. Ensure it is securely attached. Once connected, double-check that there are no loose wires or connections. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the help you need without any hassle. After the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back panel carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, power on your device to check if it's functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This simple process can extend the life of your Caelum information quality device significantly. Regular maintenance, including battery changes, is essential for optimal performance. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with your device maintenance needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.